Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the R36S save state not working in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to open your game and access the emulator menu. Just make sure that save states are enabled and you are using the correct save/load slots. Sometimes the game saves a different slot, which makes it seem like it's not working. Now you need to test the saving and loading again. If after doing this, the issue still persists, you can just simply try our second method, in which you just have to connect your SD card to your PC. Just make sure that it is not set to read only and it has enough free space. Now, if the system cannot write the data, save states won't work properly. Also, you need to verify that the save folders are present and accessible. You can then check how you exit the games. If you turn off the console without exiting properly, save states may not be written correctly. So always exit the emulator or the game menu properly before shutting down. This prevents the data loss. Finally, if the issue still continues, you can reinstall the updates. You can update your emulator and the system files. The corrupted files can also stop save state from working correctly. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the save state issue is gone in your R3S6 very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.